How to apply promo code on Klook application. First, you're going to open your Klook app. After that, you'll be able to see all the available options over here. Simply tap on one of the options and you want to scroll down, and here you will see two options called add to cart or book now. If you like these options so far, you can simply tap on book now. Here it will ask for you to select your package option. You want to select your package options over here by seeing all this information. Tap on book now and you'll be able to see all the payment methods over here. Tap on book now again. Over here you want to select a date. After that you want to select your time too, and here you want to select how many person you are coming. Simply tap on 7, or how many person you prefer. Simply tap on book now after that to book your reservation. And here if you are logged in into your account, it will ask for your payment methods, and during that payment methods you'll see an option called discount or promo codes tab. You can simply apply your promo code on that empty tab over there and simply tap on apply to make your payments with the discount attached. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.